Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to this video. Okay, in this video, I will show you about the simulate the state space model and also state space control for the simple model. Okay, for example, I will show you about the simple system here. It is the DC motor system. So this is the model in the state space. We need to make the simulation in the Simulink MATLAB here. Okay, we will create the simulation. So please open your Simulink MATLAB and then we need to add some component. So this is the gain. We need to change from this element wise to matrix because we will need the matrix here for the A, B, and C matrix. So we need 3 gain here for the A matrix, B matrix, and this is the A matrix, C matrix first, and then the A matrix. Okay, then we need to add the other component, the other block. It is the sum block here, and then we need the scope, and then we need the mux here, and then we need the integrator, and then we need to add constant here. Okay, and then we will setting this simulation. This is B matrix here, and this is the C matrix, and also this is the A matrix. Okay, we need to flick the block. We need to flip, and then we don't need it. Okay. Okay, so for the simulation, the input is U. The input is the voltage, input voltage here, and the output is the first state. It is the angular velocity or angular speed. So we will give the 12 voltage here. Input voltage. Okay, this is the B matrix, A matrix, and also C matrix. Oh, we need to change the value for the B matrix. It is 0 and 2. We need to change with 0 and 2 here. And then the A matrix. Okay, the A matrix is minus 10 and then 1 and also minus 0.02 and also minus 2 here for the A matrix, and the C matrix is 1 and also 0. Okay, so after we done with the system, we can apply the system, we can simulate, we can run the Simulink, and then we can get the system response here. Okay, this is the response. So the system is stable in the some point here. In this point, it is 1.2 here. This is the open loop simulation. So this is the open loop simulation. We just give the input. So the input is voltage, and then we can see the angular speed, the omega here. And this is the open loop simulation to see the system is stable or not. So we can see in this figure, in the system response, the system is stable in the some position. If we change the voltage, okay, if we change the voltage, the set point, I'm sorry, the value is increased here. Okay, so from the 0 in the 0 seconds, the angular speed is increased until some until this speed. Okay, this is the open loop simulation, and then we will design for the state space control here. So we need to add some parameter here. I will change this to be reference on the set point. Okay, and then we need to add some here, and then we need to add the K matrix for the state feedback control here, and then we need to add some integral, and we need to add the state feedback here. Okay, we need to add one gain. Okay, we just need to change this multiplication because it is just the common gain. It's just again just the multiplication. It is not a matrix. So, and then we need to change this sign because we need to get the error, the differences, the difference between the set point and also the feedback. So we need the feedback here. The feedback actually from the sensor. So we need to rotary encoder or other sensor to calculate the angular velocity, the omega, and then we can fill this value. I think we need to change to P5 here. Okay, and then we can simulate the simulation. We change. So for the open loop simulation, the input is the input voltage here, and then the open loop doesn't have the set point or reference, so this system cannot reach the set point that we want. Because of that, we need the closed loop system here, the feedback control, to make the system can reach the set point or the references. Okay. Okay, this is the set point. We change to be 100 for the set point. Okay, we will see the system response. Okay, it is not stable. Okay, we need to change this sign to be minus here. This minus, this is minus also, and then we can simulate. Okay, we need to compare the set point and also the output system. Okay, we need to change this to be 200. we will change to okay. Okay, we can see the system can increase the value. We will change again. Okay, so we will see the value from this paper. So we can see this is the integral value, and also this is the state feedback gain value. Okay, 1. The system is very slow. So we can see the time is have 20, yeah, 20 for the value minus. Okay, I think it is need to change to be 200, and then this is okay. Okay, we can see the system is more better than before. So we can change the parameter using the trial and error method here. But the other method is using the pole placement. We can see the system is better than before. So it is can reach the set point here, the references with this value 10, and then this is the 200 value. This is the set point. We try to change the set point. Okay, so this is the process to create the state space simulation and state space model, and then to state space control using the integral state feedback. So it is the state feedback control, and this is the integral control here. With this is the integral gain, and this is the C matrix, A matrix, and also B matrix. Okay, I think enough for my presentation about this is the open loop simulation and then the closed loop simulation using the state feedback control and also the integral control. I hope this video in this video can useful for you for your study or your assignment. If you have any question, you can write in the comment. Thank you for coming to this video. I'm sorry if I have missed it for delivering this material in this video. Akhirul kalam, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.